What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this chair, recliner, and sleeper all-in-one from Tatub. I picked this up on Amazon for about 300 bucks. You can see I have it here in this gray-green leather color. And it's got two cup holders in the front here. On either side of the armrest, we have a slot for a magazine, tablet, remote. On the back here, we have an area to plug in a USB-C and USB port. We can charge our iPad or tablet here. And the greatest part of all, this turns into a recliner and sleeper. So to recline the chair, we have three different positions here. The first one is the upright position. We can also move this to the sleeper position, which is completely flat. Second position here, or last third position, is this recline position. And then again, that upright position. So we simply push it up once, turns into a sleeper, recliner, and then chair. Also, the sofa comes with this pillow here. And to turn this into a sleeper, it's actually really easy. Simply just pull on the base here, and the footrest pops right out. Grab this latch here, pull it up, and then this turns into a sleeper. Go ahead and recline that backrest again. The dimensions of the sleeper is about 26.5. So I would say this is about 1.5 people sized. And it is about 69 inches. So just under 6 feet. Let me go ahead and try this out. So I'm about 5'8". I can fit on here pretty comfortably. I would say this fits someone 5'8", you know, smaller adult or child or teenager. And I can also sit here as a chair. I can also put it in the recline position. And then again, I can lay down. When I'm done with the chair, we can go ahead and close the footrest. And now it becomes this really comfortable lounge chair that uses very little space. Sit here, watch TV, play on your tablet, and we've got two cup holders on either side. So the product ships all in one package. It's about 85 pounds. This was shipped via FedEx, so it came straight to my front door. And so inside the box, everything is packaged very well. It comes with an instruction manual here. So as you can see, after we've gotten the product unboxed, we have the cushion for the seat and backrest, all the necessary hardware to put together the chair. We have the two armrests in the back there, a pillow located there, as well as the footrest and pieces to assemble that footrest. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow the instructions, show you guys how to put this together. Okay, so the first step we're gonna do is take the two armrests, and the front is where the cup holders are. So I'm gonna put these, the front facing you guys that way. So everything is alphabetically characterized in the box here. You'll see everything's got letters and there's a diagram. So first thing we're gonna do is install these two brackets onto these two arm pieces. All right, so we're first gonna take these L and K brackets, place them onto the end like so. Go ahead, use our M nuts to secure them in. And the trick with putting a lot of furniture together is do not tighten down the screws until you put everything together and you do a final tighten. That way stuff will line up a lot easier. Now we're gonna grab 6 of these end pieces to install here. And now we're gonna attach the seat bottom and back to these 2 sides. So we essentially take the seat bottom, which is this bigger piece here. We're gonna sit it on top of one of the side pieces, which is labeled A. And you'll see those bolts come through here, and we just need to tighten those up. So we're gonna place a washer on each one of those, as well as a nut, and tighten those down. And now we'll need to repeat the same process for the other side of the chair. So we're gonna grab that piece here, place it onto the seat bottom, and then go ahead and use those washers and nuts to secure that in as well. So I just put the sofa on the back side here, and we're gonna tighten up those nuts. All right, so once we've gotten the seat bottom attached to the backrest, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the legs. For the legs, we grab these plastic spacers here, insert one into each leg, and screw that leg onto the base. And now to stabilize the chair better, we're gonna install a back brace from here to here. And to do so, we're gonna use piece G and our J brackets, as well as the 4M screws. Simply just place one on each corner. Go ahead and loosely tighten these in. And now we're gonna grab that brace, place it right in between the sofa here, line these holes up to here, and using another set of 4M nuts, we're gonna go ahead and tighten that up. That's gonna complete the assembly for the chair, and now we'll go ahead and assemble the footrest. All right, so here we have the footrest. The footrest comes as one whole piece, and the front has the loop here. We're going to attach the casters, and all the casters need to point towards the front and back. So you can see here, place one caster here. You'll notice the back 2 casters have a side wheel that go to the side. Again, this rear caster, front to back wheel, and then the side to side one. And go ahead and put in those M bolts. We're gonna use 3 of them on each corner for a total of 12. All right, so once we have the 4 casters installed, we can go ahead and install the front cover here. And the front cover is going to use this last F piece. You'll notice we have the holes here to attach onto this. We're gonna use those last M bolts. All right, so there you go. That is the assembly of the footrest. We wanna make sure that the strap hides below this so it's easy to pull. And I'm gonna go ahead, collapse it, and place it into the sofa now. And so that's how you assemble the chair. Last and final step, we're gonna attach the power cord to the bottom of the sofa here. And that will give you power to your USB-C and USB chargers located on the armrests. So again, that's a quick look at the chair. Assembly was about 30 minutes. Pretty easy to put together and follow the instructions. I will recommend getting the fabric. If you guys are looking to get at fabric or leather, I think the fabric will hold up a little bit longer. But again, super easy to put together, very versatile chair, turns into a sleeper. It's great for kids and smaller size adults. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down below. Hit that like button if you found the video helpful, if you do have any questions on the chair, and let me know what you guys think, if it is worth the price. Put your comments down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.